The roof is an important part of your home. It provides shelter for you and your family from the heat and calamities brought by the harsh environment. It is normal for a roof to get weaker as time goes by, because of enduring a lot of different climates. Regular inspections and roof restoration may help in keeping the roof in a good condition and function. Roof restoration is an alternative way to roof replacement. It is cost-effective and environmentally friendly. It gives the roof a whole new look and upgrades. Roof restoration involves a roof inspection and a thorough cleaning. Then we'll start with the real work. This whole new process will give your roof an additional life. And it is a great way to boost your home's safety and aesthetic appeal. But if you need more convincing, below are the following benefits of a roof restoration. The following benefits. Benefits of roof restoration. 1. Prevent future damage. If a roof is poorly maintained, it will likely suffer at the hands of disastrous climates and falling debris like branches. And if a roof becomes damaged, that's when it starts to get leaks. Getting your roof is an alternative way to make sure that every inch of your roof is in a good condition. Any broken tiles will be removed and replaced, as well as the loose tiles or ridge caps will be rebedded. A protective sealant will cover the roof that will prevent damage and leaks in the future. 2. Improve the home's energy efficiency. If a roof is not sealed properly, the air will flow in or out. And this will only result to crank up the heat to compensate for all the heat you're losing. A roof restoration can prevent the air from escaping, which will help you save a lot of money on energy bills in the long run. In addition, you'll be helping a bit with the environment. 3. Extend roof life. A roof restoration is going to extend an additional lifespan to your roof. This only means that you don't have to worry about any damage or leaks for years. Besides, a damaged roof can be dangerous for the people living in the home. That is why the roof restoration will also provide optimal safety. Maintaining your roof in a good condition will make you safe for you and your family for the rest of the years to come. 4. Improve aesthetic and increase home values. Your roof is vital to the appearance of your home. A well-maintained roof will be going to boost your home's market value. Aside from that, restoring its original beauty will increase home value and enhance the aesthetic. They also have a big chance to list your homes for a higher price. Buyers often put off by a roof that looks like it needs a repair. Restoring your roof to its original look will increase the chances of an easy sell. You'll be able to list your home for a good price. In addition to the above benefits of a roof restoration, a regular inspection and roof repair may help you save a lot of money that will be spent on bigger repairs. So don't wait for the damage to show up itself. Remember that prevention is always better than cure. Get your roof inspected and restored to enjoy a safe stay with your loved one.